Oh shit. Hold on. Swap that thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How you guys doing?
What's happening, Pippin?
Good, brother. How you doing?
Oh, doing great, bro. Yeah. It's nice. How y'all doing? That's it. We're over here in Maricopa. What's the name of this park? Huh? Copper Sky Park. Copper Sky. Yeah, that's what it is. Hey.
Chamber of Commerce.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Look, we got gifts already. Look how nice it is out here. They already giving out gifts. Hey, let me put my cigarette up. I feel odd. Got a drink. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Hey, young world. What's happening? Check out this young car show. You know what I mean? You know how we do it. We in AZ. You see the sun out here blazing crazy. You see it? Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, that's how we do it out here. Oh, it's real. It's real serious out here, y'all. This is beautiful. I'm gonna let y'all peep it out. I'm gonna let y'all check this out right here.
Look at that thing.
Oh, check out this young peanut butter right here. Look, check this out. Y'all see it? Ooh, nice. Look, I'm gonna let y'all check this. Look, check out the engine. Y'all see it? Come on now. Come on now, they ain't do it like this no more.
That's a hell of a nice rebuild.
Look at all that metal. Look, they don't do it like this no more, man. They don't do it like this. Come on now.
I was looking at that
This is that real deal. Oh, this is sweet, huh? Oh man, let me get around here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, look at that. Oh, come on now. Come on, man. Come on now. Come on now. They don't do it like this. Come on now. In AZ, look, Maricopa, you know what I'm saying, got it jumping off like this. Look, they got the real deal. Look. I'm talking about with rasta on that thing. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh. Look at it. Oh, amped up. Come on now. How many is that? How much is that? How much amp is that?
Rock.
8?
Ooh. Got that rock falls, got the rocks.
Man, that's official, y'all. Y'all see it?
My daddy had
Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Look, they blocked up over here. Hey, man, this is nice. This is nice. Yeah, it's official. Yeah. Ooh, check out the Lincoln, y'all. Y'all see it? Ooh. Hey, they even got the suitcase, the old school suitcase. Man, come on now. You know it's full of cash. It's full of cash up in there. You see it? You see it full of cash over there, man. I ain't gonna tell you nothing. I ain't gonna say shh. Mom's a word. Look at this. Ooh, come on now. With the velvet.
Yeah, that
what is that, velvet?
They said clean right there. That's a push right there.
Come on, man. Everything original. Everything. Come on now. Come on, man. They ain't doing it like this. They don't do it like this no more. Look at the. Oh, no. Y'all don't see him? Y'all don't see him? Oh, with the gills. Look, the Lincoln with the gills on them. The shark gills. Got the shark gills. Breathe on them. Okay. Y'all ain't ready for this right here. I'm finna do it to y'all. I'm finna do it. Tell me to do it. Tell me to do it and watch me do it. Tell me to do it, watch me do it now. Bam! Look at him. Look at him. Oh, Papa Smurf. Look at him. Ooh.
52.
Ooh, come on now. Where they do it at? They don't do it like this no more. We in AZ, y'all. Look, it's bright and sunny. And we got a car show of car shows. We got classics jumping off right here. Right here, Maricopa County. Popping. Look at it. Look at it. Man, look at this. Watch your eyes now. Don't spring your eyes. Don't spring your eyes on it. All that chrome up in there. You see it? Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. That's class. That's classic right there. Y'all see it. Come on now. I'm finna take y'all one by one now. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go slow with it. We're gonna go slow with it. Look at my man right here. You know what I'm saying? Fred. Look at him.
I don't know what they put that ass.
Look, you good old boy. Look at it. Got his thing on. Look, stunting on him. Look, but check this out. Check out the old school. You know what I'm saying? Dun 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 dun. Dun. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Look, this that. You know what I'm saying? Fred Savage had this truck right here, y'all. Oh, Fred had this one, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see it? Woo! Come on, you can't ride around, you know what I'm saying? Look, we ain't got no AC, but we got a fan. We got a fan. You see the fan up in there? Woo, we ain't got the AC, but we got a fan. Look, got a compass and everything up in there, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't know nothing about all that. You know what I'm saying? Flashlight. Come on, man. Man, you got everything you need right here. You see the paint job? You see it? Look, classic. Classic.
Bad boy.
Ooh. Look at that shine on there. Ooh, y'all thought he was y'all thought he was playing. Y'all thought he was playing. Okay. Hold on. Okay. I don't know if y'all was ready for this one. I'm finna take y'all to the old Mustang, man. I'm finna take you to the Mustang. Look at the Mustang.
I gotta take this from.
I'm telling y'all, man. Y'all see this Mustang? You see it? Man, this is beautiful right here. Look at this bad boy. Look at this. Oh, look. We're gonna hit you with the race stripe. Nyeom. Nyeom. Look at it. All red insides. Look at it. All on the inside. Bam. Come on now.
On the inside, white on the outside.
They ain't playing with them. It's not playing. Leather. Them seats leather if y'all ain't know. Y'all ain't know it? Buckets. Them the buckets. The buckets. Y'all see this? Ooh, GT. Jumping off. Look, just in case you didn't know. Stripes. Y'all see it? Mm-hmm. Y'all see it? All right. Y'all see that one?
Yeah.
Y'all see it? No, sir. No, sir. You're doing good. You're the man with the plan. You built this? Oh, man. Look, this is the man with the plan right here. How you doing?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Oh, wonderful, wonderful, man. I'm enjoying your car. This is a work of art right here. Look at that opening. Look at this.
$2 in my life.
Wow.
How long did it take?
3 years. It was just a little 26 on the car when we got it.
Oh, yeah?
Wow. How many horses you got on it now?
It's dirty. But he can keep the hood down because it's fiberglass.
Oh,
Right. Man. He finna let it look up under the hood, y'all. Bam! Look at it. Woo, 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 woo. Woo.
That's a nice rig.
He said it took him 3 years to make this bad boy just the way he wanted.
The 289, that's we got
He got extra support for that motor. Look at that. Y'all see it? That's class right there. You did a great job with this. Oh my goodness.
My kid likes it.
Come on. Oh yeah, I bet you do too. Ah, there she go. Oh. Oh, you gotta get that. Oh man. Oh yeah, boy. Okay, I'm trying not to cheat y'all, man. But it's so many cars. I'm trying to go in order. And then y'all got this eye candy here too. Look, check this out. You see that? Out of control. Just balling out of control. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm admiring these cars. Is this you?
Yeah.
Oh, brother man, you mind?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, know what I'm saying? Look, Hey, this is the brother right here, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna show y'all this masterpiece that he got going on. Y'all ready for it? Y'all ready for it? How you doing? My name is Dennis Berry, by the way.
Yeah, Lewis.
How you doing, Lewis?
Dickie's barbecue pit.
Dickie's barbecue?
Yeah.
Oh, Dickie's barbecue pit. Y'all hear it, right? All right, then. Y'all know what to do. Nah, but I'm finna let y'all see this masterpiece right here. You know what I'm saying? He be whipping up all type of things, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Check this out. Bam! Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Oh, man, look. Oh, man, this is ostrich skin. Ain't this ostrich skin?
They got the inside too. Same way. I'm taking.
Man, look at this. He got ostrich on the inside.
There you go.
Oh, let me get on the other side. They're doing something over here. Let me get on this side right here, man. I want y'all to see this. I want y'all to see this. Whoo! Let me put this down. Y'all ain't ready for this. Y'all is not ready. Come on now. Come on now. Suicides.
You know, I've been working on it off and on for about 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah, about 2 years I've been working on it off and on.
Man, this look like a lifetime right here.
Huh?
Oh, look at this. Let me look at. I want y'all to.
L7.
Ooh, y'all see
I
it?
didn't put it.
Come on now. This is ostrich skin. Brother man. Know what I'm saying? Man, come on now. Okay. Y'all think, you know what I'm saying, just the seats is ostrich, right? Y'all think that, y'all want to see some more ostrich? Bam! Look at that. On the roof. Look at you. Oh, man, come on now. Yeah. Let's do some wood grain, y'all. Let's do that wood grain. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Come on now. Brother man ain't playing no more. He is not playing.
Yes, yes.
He is not playing. Y'all see it? Say your brother, you know, what's your name again? Lewis.
Yeah.
And what's your business?
Dickie's barbecue.
Dickie's barbecue. Y'all see him? Dickie's barbecue. Look at, oh man, we under the, look at him. We under the hood. We under the hood with this thing. You see it? Come on now. If y'all don't love this, something wrong. If y'all don't love this, something wrong.
You mean the
Oh, snap. Something wrong. Y'all see this? Oh, my bad. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Ooh, y'all see it? All right. Ooh, let me get that. Let me get that a little bit. Let me get that a little bit.
Give me your bag.
Okay.
Let's change.
There you go.
I gotta help him out.
Y'all see me? I'm busy. You know what I'm saying? Look, y'all see this? Ooh, the smoke in the bandit right here. Y'all see the smoke in the bandit? Yeah, that's beautiful, boy. Y'all see it?
It ain't black one though.
Oh, y'all see it? Come on now. Come on now.
You gonna have me streaming now? Go live.
Ooh. Y'all is not ready for that. Come on now, look at it. Come on now, y'all ain't ready for this. Fire! Fire! Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It ain't official since you got this BAM. You know what I'm saying? You got that BAM.
Got the original.
You know what I'm saying? This is that John Urkel's in. Y'all see it? Oh man, this is a classic right here. Come on now. This is that little Urkel John. Urkel was on, you know what I'm saying? Y'all remember Family Matters. Look at him. That's the little Urkel John. Look. Young three-wheeler. Young three-wheeler. You know what I mean? Get around. Scoot, scoot. Skirt, skirt. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it? Man, it's all types of stuff around this bad boy. I'm trying not to cheat y'all. But there's so many nice cars around here. It is so many nice cars. Okay. Let me hit y'all with this right here. Bam. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Y'all see him? You know what I'm saying? Young Chevy. You know what I'm saying? It ain't official without the young Chevy and the whistle. You know what I mean? Y'all see him? Whoa. Now look up under the hood. Bam.
That's just clean.
Look at that. Watch your eyes. Watch your eyes.
Clean on the inside, clean on the outside.
I'm telling you. All day, every day. Then I'm hit you with a bam. Woo-hoo. Muscle. Come on, man. Check out the muscle, y'all. Check out the muscle. Shit, come on now. I'm trying to take y'all on this little trip with me. Y'all see where I'm at? You know what I'm saying? This is a young, you know what I'm saying, General Lee type thing right here. Y'all see it? Young Orange. Young Orange. Y'all see it? It's official. Bing, bing. Bam. Okay, let me hit you with another one. Yeah, boy. Y'all hear the noise, you know what I'm saying? Causing ruckus up in here. Look, 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 look. Y'all see it? Come on now. We got class around here. Come on now. Bing, bing. Bing, bing. Bang, bang. We got classic after classic after classic. Impala. Look at this bad boy right here. Look at her. She's beautiful. Look at her. Look at her. She just don't know how to act. Look at her. All the way through. Look, all the way. Look, look. She don't know how to act. She do not know how to act. Cause she's a bad mamma jamma. Yeah, boy. Live on live. Y'all already know. Oh man, let me go run over here. I'm finna run over across the street, you know what I'm saying? Cause we got the hot rods and things over here. Y'all see this? Come on now. Y'all don't see this. Y'all don't see this. Come on, this is when hot rods wasn't hot rods, it turned into hot rods. You know what I'm saying? It was just, come on now, throwback. Boom, boom, boom. Check out that car. Check it out. Y'all see that right there? You see the tires? Bam. You bring them all the way back here. Fat boys in the back.
Oh, he got that ass.
Come on now. He ready? Look, that bad boy go. Take all on off. Yeah, it's official. Oh, root beer. Check it out. Woo, this bad boy's sick. Look at it. Oh, come on now. Oh, they ain't acting right. Come on now. With them things on it. Bam. Hit them with the things. Hit them with it. Hey. Man, it's some rides on rides. Look at this jump right here. Woo. Oh man, look at that. Now, come on now. See the steering wheel? You still gotta pop it off, you know what I mean? Jump in and out, you know what I mean? Pop, pop, get on in, get on out. Yeah. Nice ride, nice. Yeah, we moving, boy. Hey, how y'all doing? Check this out. Come on, the silver bullet. Come on now, you check it out, man. Gone. Look at it. Ooh, nice. Come on now, they ain't ready for this. They ain't ready for it. Look at it.
8,500 pace car.
What kind of motor this is? Ooh, Nova. Hey, how y'all doing?
How are you?
Oh, wonderful. I'm enjoying this car. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Man, look at that. Ooh, look at the lights.
Better than it came out of the showroom.
I believe it. I love these lights. This is crazy. They look like cameras.
You got your picture.
Oh man, that's beautiful right there. I love this. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is space age. This is up to date. This is nice too. Look, check out it. Bumblebee. Got the Bumblebee, y'all. Look at that. Yeah. Got the Bumblebee. How y'all like that? Y'all mess with the Bumblebee? Huh? Oh, nah, this is the buggy. Check out the bug, y'all. Check out the bug. Bang, bang. Bong, bong. Oh, man, come on, Mayberry. Come on now. Come on, y'all know this is a classic. This is a classic. Come on now. Y'all see it? They don't even do them like this no more. Look at it. It's beautiful. Come on now. Hey, how you doing? This is great. Oh, man. Woo. Oh, here you see it. Y'all see it. Come on now. Come on now, look at that motor. You can eat off of that bad boy right there. You can eat. Look, check out the rims. Boom. Y'all know this car is ready. Check on the inside. Look at it. It's official. Come on now, hard shell. Impala. Come on now. Watch your eyes. Watch your eyes. It's chromed out all the way through. Come on now. This is official, y'all. Look at all these rides, man. They got, man, like a kid in the candy store. Look, check this bad boy out. Y'all ready for that? Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for that, man? Look at that. Oh, man. We just need a back seat. You know what I'm saying? But look at all of that. He's still working on it, but check this bad boy right here. You see it? And the paint job's still nice. Look at it.
Buried in there. And one of them was...
I'm talking about that's nice. You can't lose that. You can't lose that. You see it? You see it? Hey, what's that? Oh, man. Come on now. Stormtrooper. You see the Stormtrooper? Y'all see it? Got the young Stormtrooper. You see him? Dun 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 dun. Young Star Wars. Look at that. Man, that's nice. Oh, and here we go again. Boom. Y'all see it? Come on now. Look at it. Look at it. All original. Look. Oh, shit. This got that thing on it. Look, it's got the switch on it. It's one of them Fast and Furious joints right here. Look at them. Come on down. Gone in 60 seconds, giant. Y'all see it? It's official, man. Come on now. Y'all see it? Man. Oh, man. They got music and everything over here. Y'all see it? They jamming around here, y'all. I'm gonna hit y'all back later.